Mexcreation TV, where real stories meet real opportunities, from life in the Gulf, jobs, travel, and labor rights, to inspiration that keeps you moving forward. This is Mexcreation. Learn, grow, and stay informed. Qatar. How to apply from your home country. Step-by-step guide by Mexcreation TV. Yes, if you are in India, Nepal, Kenya, Ghana, Pakistani, Bangladesh, any other country, Uganda, Philippines, and you want a cleaning job in Qatar, this video is made for you. I'll explain the requirements, salary ranges, trusted agents, documents, and how you can avoid the scams. By the way, who offers cleaning jobs in Qatar? Yes, hospitality companies will offer cleaning jobs. Facility management companies will offer cleaning jobs. Malls and airports will offer cleaning jobs. Cleaning, maid, service firms will offer cleaning jobs. Some private households, through what you call agencies, can offer what you call cleaning jobs. Yes, can you apply from your country? Yes, Qatar companies hire thousands of cleaners every year. Most recruitments happen through what you call licensed recruitment agencies in your home country, not directly WhatsApp agents. The basic requirements for you to have for cleaning jobs: valid passport, minimum 10th grade education. It varies on which kind of country you are coming from. Then the physical fitness. Physical fit is very important. Police clearance certificate, it's mandatory to some cases. To some cases it may not be required, depending on which kind of recruitment agency you are working with. Then the ability to speak English is a very big advantage for you to some workplaces, but it's not always mandatory in any cases. Then the age should be between 21 to 38. Some expectations, yes, depending on which company, requirements. Salary ranges, if you are coming as a cleaner, you should very know that salary ranges between 1,100 to 1,600. That is the basic salary, depending on the company. You find the accommodation, transportation are usually provided. Yes, overtime can increase salary from 1,800 to 2,200, depending on your role and depending on the company that you are working with, and depending on which kind of project you are working with. Yes, better companies equal to better accommodation, better medical, plus overtime pay. That is what I say with regard to what you call companies. Yes, how to apply the right way. Yes, through government approved recruitment agencies. Yes, no legal payments. Company visa is genuine. Yes, you receive offer letter plus contract before traveling. That's if you use government approved agencies. Yes, you can check the agency if the agency is licensed. Yes, POEA, that is Philippines, LMAR, that's Ministry of Labor, Kenya and Ghana. Then you can check the government labor ministry in your country. They have those recruitment agencies that are approved and licensed. However, something that you need to avoid fake WhatsApp messages promising you job and promising you very good offer. Then people asking money without receipts, definitely should be a bit very careful with yourself. Agents promising jobs without contract, yes, you need to be very cautious, and you need to be yourself. What documents would you receive? Yes, before flying, you must have the following documents: job offer, contract, work visa copy, it must be with you, medical fitness clearance, yes, the ticket. Employer often provides the ticket for you. Then employment terms in writing is normally given to you before you say you come, and you have a sign of it all. If these are missing, cancel it. It is a trap. That's what you need to know. After arrival in Qatar, what you need to know, you need to get a QID within 1 to 2 months. You can transfer sponsorship later if the company agrees, depending on the contract, but the minimum requirement should be 1 year for you to change companies. Yes, you must follow what you call your contract. Duty hours, accommodation rules is quite very important, very important. When we look at what we call growth opportunities, yes, cleaning job to not the end, but many workers grow into. Team leader, supervisor, reception, admin staff, definitely there are better opportunities that you can. Security, cashier, hospitality roles, yes, there are all opportunities that you can work. Remember, hard work plus English skills will equal to what you call promotions. Yes, if you really want to start working in Qatar, cleaning job can be a legit first step. Start with the real agents, protect your passport, and always demand what we call a contract. Yes, if you want, yes, I can give you a list of what we call trusted companies, cleaning companies. Definitely, I'll create a checklist for you, then you can definitely be able to check. Thank you so much. Hope I've tried to share something for you, for a person who was asking me. Watching Mexcreation, bringing you real stories, real guidance for life abroad. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Stay informed, stay empowered.